What's up guys, my name is Matt. If you're new here, take a second, hit that subscribe button below, hit the bell notification so you know when I post a new video. In today's video, we're going to look at how to set up a t-shirt design in Affinity Designer, how you get your canvas correct, and let's jump right in. So first let's look at what merch requires here. So PNG format, as large as possible, 4500 pixels. Typically in the past, it's always been 4500 by 5400. And that's what we're going to set up today. You also have the RGB color 8-bit channel, but now when you upload to merch, you could kind of resize stuff, but you can't size larger than what you input here. So you want to make it as large as possible. We're going to come over here to new document. We're going to look at layout here. We're going to make this 4500 by 5400. I'm just going to leave that at 300 DPI, put that at pixels. And then you have orientation. So you have a landscape or portrait. We want portrait, because the shirt goes, up and down. We want to create artboard, make sure that's checked. I'm just going to change this to RGB 8 channel, and you could do transparent background, that's fine. And we hit create. So now you'll see where it says artboard. If I select that, I could change the color over here. You want to more likely just design for like black, but you could do any color, background color. And then if you come over here to the right, you could rename it. So we can call it our #1 seller, and you see it's here. So that's all for this video. Stay tuned for more of these tutorials for Affinity Designer. Make sure you hit that subscribe button below, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.